guys, beautiful people, you're welcome once again to this channel. If you are just tuning in here for the very first time, hello, you're welcome. So guys, today's video is all about fenugreek. Yes, fenugreek. I am going to be showing you guys my two best methods on how to make fenugreek for super healthy longer hair, guys. Yes, throughout my natural hair journey, I have used fenugreek a lot of times to grow my hair and to retain length. So guys, this video I will be showing you guys my secret method on how I have been able to use fenugreek to grow my hair. So if you're interested, then keep on watching, and if this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to join this amazing family. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that when I upload a video you will not miss it, and don't forget to like this video, guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, firstly we are going to be making our fenugreek leave-in spray for hair growth. Yeah, and we'll be needing, of course, our fenugreek. And this fenugreek, I bought it in the shop close to me in my city. There's an Asian shop close to me, so I bought it there for €1. It is very affordable, and you can get your fenugreek in the supermarket, in an Indian shop or Asian shop if you have around you, or you can get this on Amazon or online. Okay, so guys, it is very affordable. And this fenugreek, I went ahead to put it inside a bowl. You can use any bowl of your choice, and then this fenugreek is about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and I pour in water. So I will be adding enough water, because when this fenugreek rise up, it is going to soak in the water. Okay, you want to soak it for at least 24 hours so it can be well fermented and the juice can be ready to go straight into your hair. So guys, this preparation was made in the night, and I'm going to be leaving it to the next morning. You can use a jar bottle if you have. I'm just going to be leaving it in this glass plate here, and I will be covering it and putting it in a cool place till the next day. So when it is the next day, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. So here it is, guys, and this has been fermenting for almost 24 hours, more than 24 hours now, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the water has changed. Right now we are going to be transferring this water into our spray bottle. So here is my spray bottle that I'll be using. You can use any spray bottle of your choice. Then just transfer the water into your spray bottle, and voila, this is it. Very simple. This is our fenugreek hairspray. We'll be using this in our hair, and guys, this has a lot of amazing benefits. You can use this as a leave-in spray to, you know, hydrate your hair. Use this every day. You can use this hairspray in so many ways, guys. So this is my dried hair, and I have a protective style on, so I'm just going to spray this on my hair and revive my hair back, and then moisturize my hair. So if you have any protective style on, you can do this. You can just go ahead and spray this instead of using ordinary water or a leave-in. You can do this, spraying it with your hair, and then go ahead and moisturize your hair with it. So you can also use this in so many ways. By after shampooing your hair and conditioning your hair, you can use this spray as the final rinse. Just pour it all over your hair to rinse your hair, then don't wash it off with water again. Or you can just decide to use this overnight, pour it in your hair, leave it overnight, and then wash it off the next day. Like, it is so amazing, guys. So guys, I am done massaging my scalp and spraying my hair with the fenugreek hairspray, and then I went ahead to moisturize my hair. So we are going to be moving over to the next step, which is step number 2. I will be showing you guys the second step, where how I use fenugreek for my hair mask. This method is great, and it is very simple to make, and it is one of the best way to use fenugreek. This second step, you want to watch to the end, guys. and stay tuned. So guys, for the step number 2, we will be boiling our fenugreek. So I use the fenugreek in which I use in making the hairspray, the remaining fenugreek seed. You don't want to throw away your fenugreek. It is very useful. You can turn it into a hair mask, okay, and use it whenever you want to do a mask on your hair. So guys, this hair mask is so great, and this is the best method ever, because some people complain that when they use this mask they end up having residue, which is some leftover on their hair. Guys, this method, you want to try it because your hair will be super soft, easy to work with, and manageable, guys. So if you have the fenugreek powder, you can use the fenugreek powder in making this mask by putting it into your pot and adding a little water and boiling it. So I have the fenugreek powder and the fenugreek seed. If you have only the seed, you can likewise use only the seed, guys. So I will be boiling my seed and my fenugreek powder because I want to add the fenugreek powder to it because I have it. So I will allow this to boil in a low heat, and then after boiling for a while, and this is what it looks like now. It is very thick and soft, as you guys can see. This way is so great, and it is very easy to blend this way, and you're going to get a smoother consistency, and it is going to be very slimy and just like aloe vera. So guys, this is it. I allow it to cool down and it went thick, and then I will be pouring this into my blender, and then I will be adding in my coconut cream, and I went ahead to add it in, adding a little more of my fenugreek water. So if you have the leftover fenugreek water, you can add it to it so that it will blend, because if you don't add it to it, your blender will not work, okay? So you add it to it or add in water. So after blending, this is the consistency that we have, and we want to strain it, guys. You want to go ahead to filter this. You all, this was so slimy and so thick, guys. It took me time for me to get this out, but it was finally worth it at the end. Guys, can you see the consistency and the sliminess of this? So guys, yeah, this is it. You want to take your time and do this gently, because at the end you're going to enjoy this, guys. If you skip this step, you're going to leave your hair, the residual or the leftover will be on your hair. So guys, this is the mistake some people do make, and you want to do this step, like do this. I know, but yeah. So guys, this was so enjoyable, and I was just, you know, enjoying pressing this art. So if you don't enjoy this part, watching this part, you can skip it, guys. But if you want to watch this part, you can watch it. So guys, this was how it looks, and it took me time, but it was worth it, guys. You want to, you know, take things gently so that everything will be removed. As you guys can see, it is so thick and very slimy. Now that I am done with that, I will be adding in my olive oil. You can go ahead to add in coconut oil. I prefer coconut oil, guys, but this is what I have. You can use any oil that you have. So I will be adding 2 spoons of my olive oil, and then I'll go ahead to add in my lavender essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice, so I choose to add in lavender. So guys, I will stir this together and then go ahead to apply it on my hair, and then I will show you guys what my hair looks like right now. So I went ahead to section my hair. After sectioning your hair, then you can go ahead to apply this mask. The feeling of this mask right now in my hair and in my hand is super amazing. Like, this mask smells like, it smells heavenly, it smells amazing. I don't know if it's because of the lavender that I added, but generally speaking, this mask is great. Like, it smells great, it is not bad at all. Fenugreek seed is safe for all hair type, but best for those with dry or damaged hair, because you are going to see and observe more benefits from the use. So guys, this mask is super great. Like, the feeling of this mask right now is super thick and slimy and slippery. Like, it is just so great. Like, I'm super excited, guys. So my hair is feeling more manageable, and like, I'm just able to stretch my hair and detangle my hair easily without not giving me stress at all, guys. So you can use this mask as a detangler. Just make it to be light, and then just look at that, guys. It makes my coils popping, like, oh my god. And the comb was not even hard. Like, I did not even stress myself passing the comb through. You want to also use a wide tooth comb if you want to detangle your hair, or if you are the type that you use hand in detangling your hair, you can use your hand. Like, it is so super amazing, and you are not going to find it difficult to detangle your hair at all. As you guys can see, the comb is just passing through. Like, go ahead to make this mask and make it this way, guys. You are going to definitely see the best result. So guys, this is my hair, and I'm done applying the mask. It was super easy, and my hair feels so soft. And I will go ahead to wash my hair and show you guys the results right now. But I will first of all leave my hair in this hair cap bonnet. This is a shower cap. It looks like a bonnet, guys. So I will go ahead to wash my hair and show you guys what it looks like. Right here, I am done washing my hair. I left it for like 10 to 15 minutes. You can leave yours longer than this, but I just prefer at least 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, this is my hair. I went ahead to rinse off the mask. As you guys can see, my hair is super soft. Like, this is the best mask ever. Like, this is the best mask ever. My hair was super soft and still more manageable. Like, I can put my comb now, and it is very easy for me to comb. My hair is super soft, guys. I'll go ahead now to put my hair in a protective style, because my hair does shrink a lot, guys. My hair do shrink all the time, like very easily. So guys, this is the protective style that I will be making. My hair was so super soft. I was able to comb my hair with no stress at all, and there is no leftover on my hair, because I see a lot of problem, like people experiencing leftover, like their hair being dry. Like, my hair was not even dry. Guys, I hope you all have found this video helpful, and I hope you really enjoyed it and learned something on how you can use fenugreek for your hair growth. So guys, go ahead and make yours today, and I would like to get a feedback from you, how you have been able to use fenugreek to grow your natural hair. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you love this video, please give us a like, comment down below, and I will see you all on my next video, guys. Bye for now.